I cook chicken thighs more often than any other dish, and this is one of the simplest recipes. Start by cutting a couple of onions into wedges, like crescent-shaped moons. Add them to a shallow casserole about 30 centimeters across with 550 grams of waxy potatoes. Break up a head of garlic and throw in the cloves. Each one will soften inside its skin and turn lovely and sweet as it cooks. Add some sprigs of thyme, about 10 will do, and grate over the zest of a lemon. Then squeeze on the juice of half of the lemon. Drizzle over about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and season everything. Cut another lemon into thin slices and add these to the pan, tossing everything together. Lay 8 good-sized bone-in chicken thighs on top. Brush them with oil and season these too. Adding the salt will make the skin go lovely and crispy. Roast for 30 minutes in a 190-degree fan oven. When the half hour is up, hook out some of the lemon slices and lay them on top of the chicken thighs so they can turn golden. Sprinkle over 3 tablespoons of capers and return the pan to the oven for another 10 minutes. Once cooked, serve straight away with a salad of bitter crimson leaves. It's so good, it really doesn't need anything more.